been a long time since the last video. It's the end of January right now, 2022. I'm in France. I'm in Colmar. And there was a job convention. It's Sunday today, and I was here from Wednesday on. Now I'm driving back. Basically, we had some technological gear and equipment built up here, and I've operated it the last few days, but it wasn't much since there were barely visitors here. But that's how it is. The truck is warming up. These are mandatory for France, and you have to have two on both sides on the front, one in the back. When you drive a semi-trailer truck or truck and trailer, you have to have 5 of these warning signs. 3 on the trailer and 2 on the tractor. It's a little bit difficult because okay, now it's full of air. It's a little bit difficult because France just decided they want to have these things, or that you have to have these things when driving into France, without considering the rest of Europe. So basically every other country is now like, what the hell, maybe we do a solution for everyone, and not every country in the European Union does something, and then you have like 20 warning signs on your truck. This doesn't make sense. But that's how it is. These actually, the signs I have here are magnetic, so I can pull them off. I'll show you this. So there's not much of a problem with it. Just wanted to check in with you guys. I have now 240 kilometers home, 240 I think. Maybe I go in the truck. Just a second. Alright, no, it's 224 kilometers home. So I will start my ride now. I wanted to film this whole trip for you guys, so you have something new to watch. The problem is I forgot my headgear to put the camera on my head. I just have it on the handle thing. So I really can't film while driving. That's a little bit sad, but that's how it is. I think I will check on later, or maybe I figure something out where I can put the camera, so you can see at least something. We'll see. If not, thanks for sticking around, and thanks for watching as always. I know I have to do numbers and hours of service video. They are coming. I will do them. I just have to wait for the right moment and for a long enough drive. see you next time.